Here we have a 2018 BMW 320d XDRIVE M Sport Shadow Edition Touring. Now this vehicle comes with the 19-inch black alloy wheels, all in excellent condition and unmarked. We also have the blue M Sport brake calipers as well just behind. We have the blue exterior paintwork, the LED daytime running headlights, the gloss black front grills. We also have the gloss black front splitter as well, part of the M Performance kit. We have the side skirt extensions along the bottom. We also have the second alloy wheel, again as you can see unmarked. We also have colour coded door handles. We have the black door mirrors, black trim around the windows with the privacy glass as well for the rear passengers. We have the black roof rails up top, the shark fin antennae and also the rear spoiler. We also have the rear parking sensors with a reversing camera. We have the rear diffuser as well with the twin pipe exhaust. We also have a power assisted tailgate. If you press this button just here on the remote, you find that the boot will open just like so. And inside of here you find we have plenty of space for whatever you may need, as this vehicle is an estate. We have the 12-volt connectivity on the left hand side as well. If you close that back up just by pressing the button just up there, then you'll find that it will close like so. And back around to the driver's side, you'll find that this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if you take a look at the interior, having a look at the back first, you find we have the full leather interior, we have the foldable armrest in the centre, the fixed ISO points as well. We also have the electric windows on the doors. Taking a look at the front again, we have the full leather interior. Both these front seats are heated, and there's a look at them. We also have the premium Harman Kardon sound system as well. We have the electric mirrors and electric windows with child lock for the rear. We also have the auto lights and the auto wipers. We have a multifunctional steering wheel, paddle shifters on either side. If we take a seat inside, you'll find we have the speed limiter and the cruise control. We also have the high beam assist as well, just there on that stalk. If we put our foot on the brake, press the start button, then the vehicle will start up for us, and you'll find we'll be free from any warning lights on the dashboard. We also have the main infotainment screen as well in the centre. If that screen is flickering, that's just the camera. It's not like that in reality, so nothing to worry about. So on here you find likes of the sat nav. We also have a range of media, such as the radio. We also have the Bluetooth audio, we have the USB and the CD player as well. The phone connectivity just there. Putting the car into reverse, you find that we have the rear parking sensors and also the reversing camera as well. Put it back into park mode, we also have the different drive modes which come up just here on the dashboard. So we have Eco Pro, we have Comfort, Sport and also the Sport Plus drive mode as well. Let's just keep it into Comfort though. Further down you'll find we have the heated seats on either side, as you can see, working just as they should do. Ice cold air conditioning as well just here, again working just as it should do. We also have the cup holders as well as the 12-volt connectivity. We have the different drive mode buttons, the traction control button. We also have the gear stick, we have the shortcuts for the infotainment screen. We have the manual handbrake, the leather armrest as well. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you want to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT, HPI clear, competitive finance deals and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.
Video test drive of this BMW 320d XDRIVE M Sport Shadow Edition Touring. Now the purpose of this video test drive today is to show that the vehicle drives exactly how you'd expect it to. Now as you can see, I'm not satisfied with the steering wheel to keep it on the straight lines, straight and true, not veering off to the left or to the right hand side. We have a multifunction steering wheel, the paddle shift if we steer the car into manual modes. Stalks behind you have your auto wipers, your auto high beam assist. On the left hand side is the auto high beam, on the right hand side is your wipers. We have your integrated Harman Kardon speakers, which sound absolutely incredible. Screen in the centre where you can see satellite navigation. You have your Bluetooth media, Bluetooth audio, connectivity, DAB radio. You have your rear parking sensors with a rear reversing camera. Dual zone climate control just down here, ice cold aircon, 2 heated front seats, electric windows, electric power folding mirrors, very comfortable Napa leather seats, your Dakota leather seats, sorry, with your extended thigh support, very comfortable. You can quite easily do 200, 300, even 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. We have your BMW individual trim throughout the interior of this vehicle, combined with your brushed metal and also your gloss black in the centre, makes it a very nice environment to be in. Now if you're test driving this vehicle today, you'll be listening out if anyone's knocked or banged, and if you've been listening out during this test drive video so far, there hasn't been any, which is always a bonus when buying a used car. Now here at RS Car Sales, we are a 5-star dealership. We're 500 to 5-star reviews on Google Reviews in argues. Now I'm coming up to the industrial setting. I'm going to take a right. I'm going to be following a stop it. I'll be straight into reverse, just show that the brakes work exactly how you'd expect them to, and you'll see pop up on the centre screen the rear reversing camera and sensors. So just waiting for a couple of cars to pass, and then I'll be able to pull in. I'm going to do a countdown from 3 when pulling in. So pulling in now, and I'll do the emergency stop in 3, 2, 1. Park instantly brakes, straight into reverse, no issues whatsoever. Back into drive, again, no issues whatsoever. Now, if I haven't answered all of your questions and inquiries during this test drive and walk-around video, please feel free to get in contact with the sales team, where they can answer lots of questions and also run through some inquiries of you. But that's it for me in this walk-around video test drive. I'll see you from you soon. Cheers.